Umsebenzi wale komiti uthande ukunyuka iqhina namhlanje. Ingqina, igqwetha elikhokela le komiti kwaye nosihlalo bafumane amazwi arhabaxa kwigqwetha likaMkhwebane. Umba ubuphala phambili yi-rogue unit yakwa-SARS.
You, as the mastermind or the boss or whatever of the so-called rogue unit, were aware that that rogue unit was committing crimes, including treason, such as spying on the NPA.
I'll say again, the foundation of the unit was lawful. Insofar as its activities are concerned, the public protector didn't examine its activities. She didn't interview a single person from the unit. And in fact, on the equipment, which she was insisting it must be there because it's not there, she did not interview anybody on all of those things. There are no affidavits.
UPillay uxelele le komiti ukuba ingxelo kaMkhwebane ye-rogue unit yabekwa bucala zinkundla zamatyala. Kodwa umpofu uthi uMkhwebane ufake isibheno kwinkundla yomgaqo-siseko. Ngaphambili, umpofu utyhole le komiti ngokutyeshela injongo yomsebenzi wayo esithi lonto ayikho mthethweni.
We are participating in this process, but our view is that it is illegal and irrational, and I spent half a day explaining why, and it was debated by this committee, and our presence here was accepted on that basis.
This Section 194 committee that I'm chairing, I'm not presiding over an unconstitutional, unlawful. I think we respect the view that you share, which you placed and ventilated in court, and there is no court that would have declared our process unlawful and unconstitutional.
Umpofu uthi uza kufaka isicelo sokuba ubungqina bukaPillay bubekwe bucala. Tulelani Philip, SABC News sephalamende.